everyone. In this video, I will demonstrate how to make worksheets for your kids at home. So now what you have to do, first of all draw some circles. You can draw any numbers of circle. So I have drawn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 circles. Now write any number which comes in your mind. So for example, I am writing 1, 4, 6, 7, 5, 12, 16. Now what you have to do, take any three number from this group. For example, I am taking 12, then I am taking 4, then I am taking 6. So now if I add them, I will get 22. So now what I will do, I will write 22 on the right hand side of this line. Now again I will take three number, I can take any number and then I will add those number. For example, I will add 5, 6 and 7. So 5 plus 6 plus 7 is 18. Now I will write 18 on the right hand side of this line. Now what I have to do, I will ask my child to choose any three numbers from this group whose sum is equal to 22. You will not show these answers to your child. You will give them this part and they have to choose any three number from this group whose sum is 22. Similarly, they have to choose three number from this group whose sum is 18. So it is not very easy for kids. They will start from 1, they will add 1, then 4, then 6, which is equal to 11, which is not equal to 18, 22. So it will require practice. So in this manner you can prepare worksheet for your kids. So I have prepared one sample worksheet in which I have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers. So now find three numbers from this group of number whose sum is 121. Similarly, he will find three numbers whose sum is 54. In this manner, he will do calculation in the rough area and he will write the answers. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.